What's up and good afternoon, guys? Welcome back to another video. There's a horse waiting outside. You see it? There is a genuine pony. Come on in, horse.
Hello. Hello, horse. Okay, well, it was good seeing you. Bye. You want to say hi to the channel? Can you speak? Can you speak? Can you speak again? Good girl. Good horse.
Well, guys, I hate to say it. I finally had to give in.
My trusty Sony TV that I've had in my bedroom for going on 15 years now.
Well, it finally got to the point of where I was sick of having to give her the old smack right there to get the line out of the TV every night when I went to bed, and finally, like, the smack wasn't enough, and I had to give in, and I had to retire her. I still can't get rid of her. I ended up taking the TV that was in World Headquarters 1.0 here, which still we've done nothing with. I have not converted it to the closet that my girlfriend wants. I'm sorry, it'll happen one day. We're busy. And for those of you guys that don't know, if you ever misplaced the feet of your TV because you mounted it on the wall, which apparently I've done with every TV I own, Amazon for $30 makes this super sweet universal TV stand thing. That mounts up to the Visa wall mount screw holes on the back of your TV. So for 30 bucks, it saved me the $80 that it would have been to actually buy like replacement feet for the TV. But anyways, today what we're going to be doing is we're picking up the tires for the Sema Tahoe build. If you guys watched the last video, you saw when we went and ordered them, and well, less than 24 hours actually, they've shown up, so that's awesome. We're gonna meet up with Chris over there right now. Let's go jump in the BBB. Well, it looks like Chris is already here. His work truck's loaded down. Let's see if we can squeeze in the parking lot. Oh, look at this busy guy. What's up, buddy? You working hard? Oh, who are you texting? Oh, you're business. So as you guys know, now that Preston's is closed down, like that was kind of my one-stop shop for a lot of stuff. So we've been working our way trying to find good companies and good connections that not only can help us out, but I can recommend to you guys. And so far, Courtney Tire has been like the go-to for us now in terms of all of our tire needs. And apparently Chris is very busy in this text message. Chris, what are you doing, dude?
Instagram.
You're not gonna say hi to your fans, dude? You're just over here busy on Instagram? Or are you talking to your fans on Instagram?
Both.
Oh, nice, dude. A real people person, Chris.
Thanks.
I'm sure they appreciate it.
What's up, guys?
Are those them?
Those are them.
So I didn't want to run into any issues with Sema coming up this year being like last minute anything. And you know, we were talking about a bunch of different tire brands, and all of them were out of stock to where it would be like a week or so out, and we're cutting it real close to being at Sema. So Lexani happened to have tires that were in stock and we can get here the next day. I don't really know too much in terms of quality of Lexani, but at the same time, like, you know, this thing's not going to get driven that much. So
what do we got here, Chris? 295 30 R26s.
And fun fact, apparently 295 is the width, you know, because we were looking at 305, 295. I thought that was the height of the tire. Metric tire sizes make no sense to me. Apparently, like, the height is like 30% of the width, or the width is 30% of, I don't even know. Chris, explain it.
I have no idea.
Wes yelled at us for being,
yeah,
right. Wes yelled at us for being idiots and changing a tire. He said he's never going to hang out with us again if we embarrass him with us.
Dan saw the video too, and he says he doesn't want to hang out with
Dan says we suck at changing tires.
Yeah.
Well, the good thing is we're not going to do these.
We'll let the professionals handle putting these tires on.
We'll let the professional load them up.
These tires are cakewalk compared to our 40s. Yeah, these tires are no big deal.
I like them though. They got some good width to them. I think they look cool. I think they're gonna look good on the Tahoe. They're definitely skinny. They're definitely rubber bands. It's definitely a different world for us. We're not really used to playing in this world. We're used to having some meat.
Brian's world.
Yeah, right. This is totally Wes's world. It might be a little small for Wes's world. Wes is more the 30-inch wheel guy.
So the owner of Courtney Tire is behind the camera. He doesn't want to be on camera. Totally understandable. But he's kind of coaching me through this because you guys know I love family-owned companies and we love small businesses. They've been here since the 1964? 1960, family-owned, multiple generations working here, right? And then we've got Nettie.
What's up, man?
Nettie, appreciate you willing to give us a shop tour.
Yeah.
Feel free, man. Show us around. Show us what you guys got going on here.
Basically, we've got a tire shop up front.
All right.
We've got machines over here. Do all these big tires. We've got 3 machines. A little bit dirty, but
That's all right.
so we've got balancers over here. We got the big truck balancer back there.
What size tire can you guys balance up to?
Right here is the heavy tires, like
Okay.
like big truck tires, like 24.5s for big
Nice.
rigs or whatever.
All right.
Used tires, mostly new tires.
I see we got some paddles back there. You guys do
Yeah, we do
off-road stuff?
Yeah, off-road stuff, buggies sometimes, big tires. We've got the guys back here, the shop, the brake shop. We got suspension, do lift kits.
This is a long building.
Yeah, we got couple racks back here for brakes.
Nice.
They do suspension, lift kits. Not too big stuff, but
Gotcha.
yeah, most of the guys are gone already. So
Yeah, we like to sneak in at the end of the day.
yeah, we got an alignment shop, got computer alignment. That's basically it, man.
So if any of you guys are local and you're looking to get new tires, brakes, alignment, suspension, whatever it may be done, like I said, Courtney Tire has been in business forever. Chris knows the owner, my family knows the owner, and it looks like they are our new go-to shop for any tires that we need for our trucks. So Chris, now you can roast your tires off and we can get some new ones.
Let's do it.
You heard him.
We'll put those on my truck and then we'll roast those.
There you go. Well, can you load them for me?
No.
You look like you work here when I pulled up. You can't load them? No? I got no problem loading those tires. Those are a lot nicer than 40s. Oh, you got me, Chris? All right, see if the van hits you and if you bounce off. Dude, it's crazy how skinny those things are. Sweet, well, we've got all the tires loaded up. Apparently, the bipolar weather has come out again and looks like we're gonna get rain even though we're supposed to have Santa Ana winds. I gotta go pick up a U-line order for all of our workforce stuff, head back to the warehouse, drop off these tires, then tomorrow we're going to be getting them mounted. Unfortunately, Courtney's here. They don't have a machine to mount up to 26s, so we've gotta go meet up with a buddy of mine that can mount the 26s. I'm gonna leave you guys with that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Welcome back to day 2, everybody. We're back over here at World Headquarters. We've got to get the Tahoe wheels loaded up. Then we've got to get the Tahoe tires loaded up. I put one of the new Lexani tires over here just to kind of see, and yes, I'm sure it's backwards before everybody freaks out. So here's kind of a good size comparison. You can see it's not that much bigger. I do hope we do not run into any issues up on the front over here. In terms of rubbing or anything, I don't anticipate it, but you can already see like we're pretty close back there. Let's see if it makes it all the way out without hitting anything. Oh, we're close, we're close, we're close. Oh, well, that didn't work. You know, one of the things I always forget is one of the reasons we put air ride on the truck is to be able to lower the back and make loading things easier. I know these aren't that heavy, but you know, I mean, we might as well do it. We put the feature on the truck. Going down. Oh yeah, much easier. All right, the truck is all loaded up. You know, old work truck 2.0 here. Maybe this is like work truck 3.0. I don't know. I've had a lot of work trucks, but the old Denali's being a good stand-in for a work truck today. Now we just gotta make sure she doesn't get scratched. Well, I think we found the busiest parking lot ever for a discount tire. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Dude, look at that mustache, bro.
What's up, dude? Just park over there.
Where, on the side?
Yeah. I haven't seen this one yet.
Where's your truck?
Over here.
Is the one right here on the corner?
Yeah.
I thought you had a...
I had a silver one. 2017 Silverado 1500. Got Nitto MTs with the Walker Evans racing wheels.
I like those wheels. I haven't seen those wheels on anybody's truck
Yeah,
yet.
dude, they're rare. They're not a lot of people run these.
Yeah,
days.
those wheels look sick.
They're kind of old school.
Yeah.
5.5-inch lift in the front, nothing in the back.
Oh, keeping a Cali?
Yeah, got to. Black Widow exhaust. That's about it. I mean,
There you go. Well, Steven, say hi to the channel.
what's up, guys?
So, Steven was actually, you were one of like the very first work for it customers as well.
Yeah.
Like way back in the day.
Like,
When like
long time ago.
I would hand deliver it.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have a website or anything set up.
I remember that.
Yeah,
Long
and you
time
were still
ago.
working at Discount then?
Yep.
Clearly you're moving your way up the chain here.
Oh yeah, trying to at least.
There you go. And the good
working
thing
hard.
is like we get the main man himself today to mount
Oh,
the
yep.
wheels and tires, right?
Hell yeah. See this machine?
I do. I see this machine.
Touchless. $25,000-$30,000 machine. That machine right there, scratch the shit out of your wheels. Like $10,000 machine.
So you're saying if I buy one of these, like I could just be like, hey Siri, mount my wheels.
Yeah, I wish.
And I could have one of these at my shop and we'll be good.
Wish. That would be nice. It's still hard, but
Well, I also don't have 30 grand to spend on a tire machine.
yeah.
I don't know, for being touchless, you've been touching a lot of stuff.
So the touchless part is that the machine doesn't touch the wheel.
Gotcha.
Still kind of touches the wheel.
I mean, it's touching it. Hold on a second. Yep, lube it up nice and good. I've ripped my fair share of beads back in auto shop in high school trying to mount tires. Never worked well. Gotcha.
So you have to kind of help it a little bit.
For 30 grand, you should be able to chew the freaking bead right off.
Oh, well.
Look at that beautiful rubber band, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. There's not a whole lot of meat there, boys. Dude, this equipment is like bougie, bro. You don't even gotta pick the tire up anymore. It picks it up for you.
Oh, no. It's a lot easier than it used to be.
Yeah, look at that. Is this thing touchless? Does it
No, so
mount the weights for you?
no, but it's a road force, so It simulates like it's driving down the road to get the best balance.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Can you simulate I'm running down a rough California highway?
No.
Yeah. Can we take some notches out of your little roller wheel over there and make it rough?
Probably, we should do that.
All right. 2 ounces. That's the attention to detail we like.
Gotta have matching weights.
Well, I don't know any SEMA builds that don't have any rattle can paint on it somewhere. Still nicer than moving 40s. All right, well, we've got all the tires and wheels mounted. So I gotta give a huge thank you to Steven over at Discount Tire for getting these wheels mounted to me. I was hoping we would be back at the warehouse before traffic today, but apparently not. We need to run over to Swift Powder Coat, pick up the powder coated pieces that we have for the Kodiak. Oh geez, that's a big old speed bump there.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, buddy?
Look at that. Beautiful. Powder coated pieces look great. That diamond plate was all chewed up, so getting them sandblasted and powder coated really changes the look of things. Oh, look who we have here. Look who we have here. Hey, welcome to Swift Powder Coating. How can I help you? What do you need to get done today?
We're gonna change the color on my Sema truck.
Oh, all right. What do you want to go with? Like a pink?
I was thinking purple.
Purple.
It's better for the environment.
We got a sale right now on beautiful teal.
Is that like, that'll match the work for it sticker?
There you go.
Oh wait, it's a different color.
It's a little
My bad, I'm
different.
sorry.
As you guys know, Duramax BBQ sold his truck. Apparently I leaked that info. I don't know if it was supposed to get out or not, but it did.
It's good, it's fine.
But we're gonna go look at an OBS for him.
Yeah, we're gonna make Zach proud.
There you go.
Maybe.
Busy day today. Busy day. All right, we're looking for an extended cab OBS in the parking lot here. I don't see one. We are though at Eddie's family's Napa store. Duramax BBQ and his borrowed truck over there. Oh, I see an OBS. How clean the engine is on this thing. I don't want to freak the guy selling it out, so we're not filming on the camera. We're filming on my phone, but original wheels. A lot of you guys love these wheels. You want these wheels. Can't part ways with the ones I've got sitting in my shop. But all in all, this is a pretty clean truck. Ryan's taking the truck for a test drive. I gotta say, the truck actually does look very clean, and for the price the guy's asking for, I think Ryan needs to buy the truck like now. Well guys, unfortunately today, Duramax BBQ is not picking up an OBS.
At least it's still Duramax BBQ instead of Power Stroke BBQ.
There you go.
Yeah, always positive.
Apparently on the test drive, the truck made like a little weird noise to you.
Yeah, it had like a vibration and a noise to it when you got into it. And on those motors, if you swap it, they're like 8,500 bucks. Transmission's like $3,000.
The price was almost right on the truck, but he wouldn't come down to like what would have been right to take the risk. So, hey, maybe one day we'll see you in a different truck.
Absolutely, it'll happen.
And well, we have made it right back to where we started the day. Zach is just pulling up. What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
Welcome, man. Look at this, dude.
Yeah, step to the
Little
big dog or whatever,
goofing
right?
going on or what?
Oh, yeah.
Nice,
Gotta
dude.
get the-
I like
gotta get
the
the comfies.
What do we got? What do we got? Oh,
I did buy a new tip though.
oh yeah. Let's go check out your tip. Zach got a new exhaust tip over here for his OBS. Dude, that thing's huge, bro. Seriously? I don't think it's big enough.
I almost bought the 10, but I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit. Now I would wish I went with the 12.
What is that? A 6 or an 8?
That's a 4 to 8.
It's a 4 to 8. Yeah, that's a big exhaust there. Well, buddy, you haven't even seen the wheels, huh?
No.
What do you think,
Not
dude?
first.
I mean, you need a boost?
Yeah, I like them.
So, I don't have lug nuts for this thing yet, and I was kind of anticipating getting true spikes. I wasn't sure. I wanted to see the wheels before I committed to what type of true spike I want. And apparently the factory lug nuts don't work because, yeah, well, there you go. You can see. AutoZone or Pep Boys it is.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. But you just got an exhaust tip. Why you?
I paid almost $10 less for mine than this.
Found it, dude. We got some sick spacers we can use. Look at the work on all kinds of lug patterns. 1415.
They're zip tied on.
They don't want you to steal the $70. $70. Why? No, these are the premium. Well, we struck out at O'Reilly's. I don't feel like spending 140 bucks because we need to buy 2 sets to use 4 out of another set. So.
They had 4, but they weren't black.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna mix and match. Okay, stop number 2, Pep Boys. Oh, this one's got a nice lounge. Emergency exit only. All right, well, I guess we're walking around. Use next door. Use next door. How many next doors are you gonna use? How many doors we gotta use? Oh, we found the right door.
What's the gear of the car?
It's gonna be it's gonna be a spine tuner. It's this thread pitch, but with the key lock on it. Or if you have them on a wall, I could go back there and see.
Well, we got lug nuts. We're four lug nuts shy, but this is enough to get the wheels mounted because I'm impatient. And until we figure out like a better lug nut idea of what we want to do, I do have to take the Tahoe to a tin shop. So this will get me there.
Bet you wish you pulled the lug nuts out of your truck, huh?
Yeah, I do have a set of lug nuts sitting in the Ford. Ford's 2 hours away. The old lug nuts are sitting in there. Yeah, so for $30, I get some temporary lug nuts. All right, guys, I'm about to introduce you guys to somebody you've never seen before. Welcome to, look at Club West, guys. This is Club West.
This is not Club West. I'm gonna off the chest right there. Hey, back up,
dude. This is good looking West here. Dude, you clean up good, bro. Dude, look at that. Hey, are those Ferragamos?
Hey, slide back, all right?
Whoa.
Give me some space.
Dang, dude.
No, I'm sucking it in right now for the camera. I just had like 4 slices of pizza.
Is your hair
Thanks for dinner,
right?
Ryan.
Look at that, dude. Like hair's on point.
I told my barber no more toupee cut.
No more.
No more. Yeah, or yarmulke.
I know it's a big occasion. We're mounting the wheels and all, but you didn't have to get dressed up for this.
Somebody's got to drive this pretty thing.
Hey, Chris, now we can stand back and we can watch our 2 real mechanics around here. Handle
so much faster than us.
So we had called Wes earlier to see if he had a set of lug nuts lying around.
My spiked lug nuts weren't good enough for him. So
They were also chrome.
Well, true, but I could have swapped my chrome for black on my truck.
You would do that for me?
Yeah, why not, man?
That's a nice guy. Well, and being the nice guy that Wes is, he ordered us some on Amazon before he even showed up right now.
They'll be here tomorrow, Amazon Prime.
Look at that.
You're Prime member?
Yeah.
Well, with that outfit, you gotta be a Prime member, dude.
Well, I feel like I need to redeem myself. Chris, you want to help me, buddy? We need to redeem ourselves and show Wes and Zach that we are real mechanics. So,
You know, I'll do the hardest part here. I don't want to break it. There we go. Nice. Dude, these look sick. Beautiful. Chris, what do you think, buddy?
No good.
All of our hard work test fitting, right? Really came together.
Exactly.
Last wheel going on. Well, the wheel's on. Wes is going to give us the old test here. Let's see if we got any rubbing, even though the front end's not on. Woo! Barely clears right there. Like it's going to touch the liner.
Roll it. At least we're about center line, so it's not gonna grow at all. Good thing is this is all behind the fender liner, so we can massage it and be all right.
There we go. All right.
Yeah, straight.
lock up time.
Try not to clip it in if you can. Now we're fine.
Yeah, we're good. We're good, Wes. All right, well, pretty much all we got left to do on the Tahoe is tint the windows, install a painted grill, and get some sponsorship decal going. Hopefully by tomorrow, we'll have the grill back and we can put this thing all back together and actually be able to drive it. And with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. That way you do not miss out on any future content. I think tomorrow, we're also getting the Kodiak back from all the lighting install getting done on it. So I'm really excited to see that because I haven't even gotten a sneak peek at it. Don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best.
Chris, say it.
Roll the outro.
Damn.